देंगे। एयरपोर्ट का तो आपको पता ही है, वो $230 मिलियन की कॉस्ट पे बन रहा है गवादर एयरपोर्ट। फिर उन्होंने एक अनाउंस किया कि पाक चाइना फ्रेंडशिप हॉस्पिटल जो कि $100 मिलियन की कॉस्ट पे बन रहा है, 68 एकड़ के ऊपर बन रहा है, और उसमें मेडिकल ब्लॉक, नर्सिंग, पैरामेडिक इंस्टीट्यूट, मेडिकल कॉलेज, सेंट्रल लेबॉर्ट्री, एलाइड फैसिलिटीज़, और ये सारी इसी के अंदर ये भी बना रहे हैं। डिसैलिनेशन प्लांट फॉर द पॉपुलेशन, तो ये 5 लाख गैलन पर डे का डिसैलिनेशन प्लांट, जिसकी अप्रॉक्सीमेट कॉस्ट इज 89, समझे 2 बिलियन रुपए की कॉस्ट है इसकी, 1.95 बिलियन की। वो भी अब फौरन के फौरन शुरू, इमीडिएटली दैट इज ऑल्सो बीइंग स्टार्टेड, वो भी फौरन शुरू हो रहा है, ताकि जो गवादर की जो पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगी। अभी जो लगा हुआ है प्लांट, वो सिर्फ इतनी कैपेसिटी उसकी है कि जो पोर्ट के ऑपरेशन हैं वो और थोड़े से लोगों को मिल सके। उसके साथ साथ दे आर ऑल्सो पुटिंग अप कोल पावर्ड 300 मेगावाट, कोल पावर्ड 300 मेगावाट का बिजली का प्लांट, क्योंकि अभी आपको पता है जो गवादर में बिजली आ रही है वो अभी हम ईरान से ले रहे हैं, तो हम डिपेंडेंट हैं उनके ऊपर। और जब इंडस्ट्रियल जोन बनेगा, जब इंडस्ट्री लगेगी, तो ऑफकोर्स आपको एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होगी, तो वो भी है चाइनीज़ गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिलके वो भी अब गवादर में लग रहा है। अब मैं चाहूँगा कि अगर ये मिसेज आएंगे, because you...
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Very good afternoon, my friends. And today is a big day, and I have keep on receiving call from many Pakistani friends saying that today is the turning point of Pakistan economy because of this newly issued SRO. The SRO itself, to be honest, is one thing. You know that this had been written 12 years ago between the government and the Singapore company. And from 2007 up to 2013, nothing had been done. They don't need the incentive. And from 2013, no word changed of the concession agreement, and this concession agreement was transferred to COPTC. And when we are starting implementing, really doing something, we found that the incentives are not there. What agreed is not there. So I have been running up and down for 7 years. People promised me, we will help you to solve the issue. No people deny, but no people do it. No people did it. So I feel very happy, extremely happy, since this government is in position. They get my complaint, they listen to what I told them, and they take immediate action. And today, the long-awaited SRO is in place. This is SRO is one thing. It means that this government is very serious about their promise. This government is very serious about the economic development. This government is very keen to get more investors to develop Pakistan economy. So this is why all my people, including Chinese, Pakistani, Saudi Arabia, Iran, keep on telling me it is the turning point of Pakistan economy, which shows the new government is really want to develop Pakistan economy. Want this government is the deliverable government. So that's why we're saying it's a big day. It's a turning point of Pakistan economy. I'm very grateful to your excellency, and you give me an egg, I will give a big hand. And a lot of egg will be produced, and I promised you billions of dollars will be invested in the free zone. And I want to say thanks again to Pakistan government, Pakistan Army, Pakistan Navy, especially Yeah, Prime Minister. Just before his departure to China, he instructed all these things to be done, and we are very grateful to him. I hope that he had a good time in Beijing. And also, I want to say thanks to all the media. All the medias are supporting me. I couldn't find any negative news about the Wifaqi, about the Gwadar, and I always get your support. It's also, I have to mention Gwadar people. They are very hardworking people. They are very humble people. They are hardworking people and peace-loving people. They deserve the good life, happy life, as any of us. Because of many reasons, Gwadar economy, Gwadar living condition is very poor, is very backward. So as a brother, we believe that we have the responsibility and the liability to help our brother country, Pakistan, to develop Gwadar. And we are very grateful to Chinese government that all the projects you mentioned, like East Bay Expressway, airport, new international airport, destination plant, vocational training institute, and 300 bed hospital. All these projects are grant, not loan. It amounts about more than 5 billion RMB. And the Chinese government never spent money like this. And also, when this new government is in place, especially when my minister, we call his my minister, Ministry of Maritime Affairs in the office, also the finance minister in place, he immediately take my complaint and ask all the relevant departments, especially from the FBI, all the relevant authority to solve my issue. So Chinese government are helping, Pakistan government are very serious. Also we get a support from media, from army, from navy, from the local authority, from Balochistan government. So I'm assured, I believe that Gwadar will be a new economic hub of Pakistan. And thanks again, sir. And I will not disappoint you. I will show you a big egg very soon. Thank you.
You are going to be under pressure from me.